Hello, I'm Stephen LaRochelle. I teach 3D design and printing courses at Waterville Creates. These photos are from an open house held in the fall of 2013. In the top right photo, you can see our old printers, which were Finder 2s. These machines have since been replaced by Bamboo Lab A1 Minis. During an after-school art camp, kids created their own board games. For pieces, they drew pictures which were then converted into 3D printable models. Note the cat and the giant eyeball. Here you can see the printed version of the cat and eyeball, along with other examples of student-created game pieces. During a 3D tech camp held this spring, kids drew animals in the free online web application Tinkercad. These designs were 3D printed as is. Then students added articulations to their creations. Here you can see the original online drawing, the original small fish in blue, and the final enlarged design with articulations. Here you can see the original drawing of a cat, the original small cat, and the final enlarged design with articulations. The students very quickly learned how to slice their own files and how to operate the 3D printers on their own. Other uses of 3D printing in the arts include the creation of stage props for Waterville Opera House productions, such as these life-size pieces from the play Clue. For the musical Tuck Everlasting, several large articulated frogs were printed, painted, and attached to remote control cars which were operated from offstage. This brooch was recreated from a photograph of one purported to be given by nobleman William Hastings to his wife shortly before he was executed by Richard III. The print was used as a prop in a performance by the Recycled Shakespeare Company of Shakespeare's Richard III. I also teach 3D design classes at Kennebec Valley Community College in Fairfield. In one class, Art 150, students scan themselves and create self-portraits that reflect their interests or show some aspect of their personality. 2 years ago, students leaned toward the macabre for some reason. Last year, they leaned more toward nature themes. Here are a couple more examples of expressive self-portraits. Notice the detail of the frog in the upper right. This is my final example of using 3D printing as a creative tool. Chocolate printing. Students in our culinary arts program print designs that would otherwise be difficult or impossible to create using traditional techniques. Here's what the model looked like on the print bed, then cleaned up and finally decorated and added to a cake. These designs were all printed in vase mode, so the walls are very thin and delicate. Here are some more examples of chocolate 3D prints.